Hold on to your seats because Samsung is about to drop a design bombshell with its upcoming Galaxy S24 series. Can you believe it's been 2 electrifying years of Galaxy S flagship excellence? Samsung's been cooking up a design recipe that's practically flawless for the Galaxy S line, especially the base and Plus models. But guess what? The magic's not over yet. Brace yourselves for a sensational twist in the saga. The Galaxy S22 and S23 frames were like rock-solid guardians, flaunting their near-flat edges, providing that satisfying heft and indestructible feel, all while making accidental near-bezel missteps a thing of the past. Now, here comes the intriguing twist. Catch a glimpse of the photo above. Can you spot it? Yes, the S23 had a hint of a curve around its waistline. Just a wink of a curve, a little tease in the middle. But wait for it, the game's changing. Drumroll, please. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are rumored to flaunt frames that are sleek, unapologetically flat, and ready to break the mold. Imagine a runway for your fingers. Take a leap into speculation land. If the whispers prove true, the Galaxy S24 lineup might take design notes from foldable wonders. Flat frames, a symphony of sharp edges, and a sprinkle of curve around the very edges, a touch of sophistication that fits right in your palm. We're talking Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 vibes, not just ordinary iPhone 1s. Hard inside scoop hints at a transformation that'll leave your jaw on the floor. Angles, curves, and radiuses rearranging themselves into a dance of innovation. Can you feel the suspense? As for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's the best-kept secret like a treasure chest locked with possibilities. Will it hold onto its edge panel charm or embrace the winds of change? Only time will tell. Hold on to your excitement, because early 2024 is rumored to bring us the dazzling reveal of the Galaxy S24 series, possibly a January or February extravaganza. But that's not all, my friends. Whispers of a titanium-clad Ultra model are stirring up the atmosphere. And don't even worry about it being heavyweight. Even with the titanium glam, it's gonna be as light on the hand as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. How's that for a grand finale? So gear up for a journey into the future. Samsung's raising the design stakes, and we're all in for the thrill ride of the Galaxy S24. Peace out.